how to design this beautiful infographic slide in PowerPoint. First, I'm going to format the background and fill it with a gradient fill. So right-click on it and choose Format Background. Select the gradient fill from the menu and delete these two spots. Choose black color for this spot and use this color code for the other one. Select the handle and open More Colors window. Type the code to here and click on OK. Make sure the radial type is selected and its direction is from center. Drag this handle to make it a little darker. Now draw an arch. You should hold the Shift key down when you are drawing. Set its diameter to 2.5. You can adjust this yellow dot to decrease the thickness, but it is not precise since I want a precise shape. Draw a circle and set its diameter to 2 inches. Now select both of them and align them to the middle and center. Let me increase their transparency to see them better. Now hold the Control key down. Select the arch first and then this circle. Go to Shape Format and in the Merge Shape section, choose Subtract. The main shape is ready. Let me reset the transparency and remove its outline. Now hold the Control key down and make another copy of it. Rotate it vertically and adjust it like this. Repeat this for the other parts. Now select all of them and make them union. Right, click on it and choose Format Shape. In this window, select Gradient Field. If you notice, PowerPoint applies the background's format to the shape. In this case, use a white color for this spot and this code for the other one. Let's change the position for this spot to 99%. Now duplicate it and rotate it vertically. Select both and align them to the middle and center, and then add a textbook box and type your main title here. If you want, you can add another text box and type your details. Select both and by pressing Ctrl, G group them. Go to the Insert tab and click on the icons. Select your suitable icons and insert them if it is hard to see them. First, change the color, decrease their sizes, and adjust them like this. If you want to make sure all the items are aligned on a straight line, hold the Control key down and select these items. Now align them to the middle. Repeat this for these items and these text boxes. You should also select these 3 items and align them to the center. Maybe you need to use the arrow keys to move them slightly. Repeat this for the other elements anyway. Now select these 2 icons and by using the eyedropper tool, choose this color for them and this color for these 2. Hold Control, key down and select the mazes. Go to the Animation tab and add Wipe Animation to them. For this maze, choose the direction from left. And for this one, choose from right. I want to show this text box with fade animation. Click on the animation pane and select all the animations, and then choose is Start with Previews for all of them. And then add fade animation for these 2 and fly in for these textbooks. Select them and make sure they are all a start with previous. But the important part, they should start with 1 second delay. Again, fade animation for these two and fly in for this title. Make sure they start with previews. But the delay is 1.25 seconds. You should repeat this process for other elements, but keep in mind the delay for each section is 1.5, 1.75, and 2 seconds respectively. Now select the first animation from the list, then hold the shift down and select the last one. As you see, all the animations are selected. Increase their duration to 1 second and you are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks.